Julia Child's Kitchen. Here we are at the Smithsonian on Sunday the 17th. Looking very tired. It's 4:30 in the afternoon. We talked a little while ago. There's a billboard with that stove, and it says on here, on the thing, the kitchen from her Cambridge, Massachusetts home provides both a starting point and backdrop for this exhibit. She bought it used in Washington here in 1950s. Throughout her long career, she never wished to replace it. I wonder why. Same reason about the Lakeland stove, huh? Anyway, we'll see you on the deck of the Enchantment of the Seas. Bye.